The National Electrical Code Section 110.3b does not specifically address installing two wires on a three-phase circuit breaker. However, it does state conductors of the same circuit, including grounding conductors, shall be grouped together and tied together. National Electrical Code Section 110.40 requires that circuits be designed and installed to ensure current carrying capacity and proper ampacity for the connected equipment. It is generally considered best practice to install all three-phase conductors on a three-phase circuit breaker for several reasons. Firstly, safety. In the event of a fault, it is important that all three phases are disconnected simultaneously to prevent dangerous overvoltages and arc flash hazards. Secondly, reliability. A single-phase breaker may not be able to handle the load of two phases, leading to potential power outages. Thirdly, code compliance. While National Electrical Code Section 110.3b does not explicitly prohibit installing two wires on a three-phase breaker, it could be argued that this practice violates the intent of the code to group and tie together conductors of the same circuit. It is likely that the decision to install two wires on a three-phase breaker was influenced by cost and convenience. However, this practice does not meet best practices and may raise concerns about safety, reliability, and code compliance. Discuss safety and reliability concerns associated with installing two wires on a three-phase breaker, providing specific examples from the National Electrical Code or industry standards. Recommend installing a new three-phase breaker with all three-phase conductors connected. This will ensure proper circuit protection and meet industry best practices. If necessary, consult with an electrical engineer or licensed electrician to review the situation and provide an independent assessment.